3, 2, 1. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Project 10, converting your animation to a GIF. That's that fourth column that I talked about. This class is about learning how to make it look good, learning how to make it sound good, learning how to make it work well, and then showing off right. Being able to quickly show off some of your animation or code is one of the most important things you can do, because if people aren't seeing it, you're not getting the recognition you deserve. What I'm going to do is take us through what I found to be the easiest way to make a high quality GIF out of coded motion graphics. The first thing that we're going to have to do is make a screencast. Now, if you've ever watched Twitch or YouTube and you see streamers recording themselves, this is basically what we're going to do. But instead of recording ourselves, we're just going to be recording our screen. Then we're going to take that video that we record and convert it into a GIF using EasyGIF. The screencaster that I like the most, and I've used probably about 20 or 30 of them, that is free, is Nimbus Screenshot. To add Nimbus Screenshot to your computer, I want you to go to Google and just type in Nimbus Screen. The first one that should pop up, it will be in the Chrome Google Store. It's going to be Nimbus Screenshot and Screen Video Recorder. So we're going to left click on that. It should pop up here and we're going to click Add to Chrome and click Add Extension. This may take a minute or two to install. Once this window's popped up, it has a few tutorial videos, how to record videos. If you don't want to hear me explain it, you could watch the video here from Nimbus Screenshot and that'll go over how to record video. I'm going to also do that right now. So what I want to do is I'm going to move over to your Scratch screen and you want to go full screen. Then we want to go over to Nimbus. We want to left click it and we want to come down here to record video. Left click that and we can turn mic sound off because we're not doing a personal screencast, so the audio doesn't really matter. I'm going to left click down on video settings and I'm going to change these around. You can leave it to auto because that'll set the resolution to whatever your screen is, 1280 by 1024. And the audio bitrate, let's turn that all the way down because we don't care about audio at all. Now for the video bitrate, we want to turn that up a little bit. Let's put it to 10 megabytes a second. And for our frequency, let's turn that up to 30. Everything's looking pretty good. And once I click back, then I'm going to click Start Record. We're going to wait a second and you'll notice that the N has gone red. That means it's recording. The important part now is don't move your mouse onto the center of the screen because it's capturing video. We're going to crop out the screen so it just shows your GIF, but if your mouse is here, that's terrible because you don't want your mouse flying around your GIF. If I left click here, I'm going to stop video recording and it's going to start to load up. When you're ready, you can save video and we are going to save video. We are going to go to Google Drive. My drive, 0CS Studio. We're going to create a new folder called 10-Making a GIF. So we are going to double click into Making a GIF and we are going to save our screencast. We're going to call this My Scratch Animation. Click Save. Now what we're going to do is close out of here. At this point, we're ready to take it to easygif.com to turn it into a GIF and then to crop it. So once we get to easygif, you want to type that in, easygif.com, and go to Video to GIF. We're going to click Choose File and we're going to navigate to our Making GIF folder and bring in our video. You can click Upload Video. Now, once your video is uploaded, what we need to do, you can press play and you can watch the video that's been recorded. Look at the start of the video to look where your animation is. And as you can drag forward, we want to end it in a place that looks somewhat similar. So I think that that's looking really good. So I'm going to click Use Current Position down there. Now I'm going to go to Size and I'm going to do up to 800. I'm going to change my frame rate to 25 so that'll make it as smooth as possible. And then if I have a solid color background, I'm going to click this Optimize for Background. And I'm going to click Convert to GIF. It'll take a second. If the cat's dancing, you know you're good. So once it comes up, now what we need to do is to crop it. You'll notice it'll give you a preview. So notice that there's a little bit of jump in the smaller run, but it does look like I've kind of synced my outer run, that it keeps going. So now I'm going to click Crop, because I want to cut out everything else on the computer screen. Now you can set your crop to what you want, but I would suggest you click Square. That's going to make it a 1:1 aspect ratio, so similar to Instagram. Since you should have brought in, your original sprite should have been 360 by 360, it should fit if you're doing a square. What I want you to do is make sure that you get your GIF. It doesn't quite touch the edges. Make it as big as possible without going into the white. The main thing that you want to do at this point is just to make sure that your animation doesn't touch the sides. That's your main concern. Once that's ready, now what you can do is click Crop Image. It's going to take a second and render out your GIF. And that looks great to me. So I'm going to click Save and I'm going to call it My Animation, or if you want to name your artwork in your animation. And now it should be saved as a GIF. The last part of the assignment is that we want to put it up somewhere now. So what we want to do is if we go to Giphy, which is the #1 GIF website, Gonna click in here. Now, if you don't have an account, you'd want to make one. If you click log in, you can click join, and then you can add your school email and create a username. Don't use your real name. Stranger danger, gotta be safe on the internet. If you have a internet name, you can type that in for username. For your password, please use your school password so we can look it up. So when you create an account, I'll log into mine to show you. Once you're logged into account, we want to upload your GIF now. So you want to click the upload button. You're going to click browse your files, and you're going to bring your GIF in. And you're going to click upload to Giphy. Once you have your GIF uploaded to Giphy, make sure that you add it to Project 10 as well. So I have a copy. At this point, you're finished. And I want to congratulate you. You made digital art. You used code to animate it. You screencasted it. You turned it into a GIF. And now it's ready to be shared out. And you could text it to a parent or someone. Now, this basic workflow is something that we're going to do again and again in this class. We want to make some media, we want to code with that media, and we want to share it out. Congratulations on completing your first large project arc. And I am excited to get into our level 2 projects after this. Have a good one. Bye.